Okay, so for those who have been following my channel, I always feature an app called Wan2GP, which is this open source app that you can download the latest open source models to generate videos, audio, or even text-to-speech generators. So in this video, we're going to talk about the latest update, some of the new features that I found, and some of the old features that I never talked about. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so as I mentioned in the introduction, we're gonna talk about this new update from Wan2GP, which is this app to generate videos, audio, or images using all the open source models. So for this, we're gonna install it using this app store called Pinokio. And as you can see here, you can find all the open source AI apps that are available at the moment. So it's very simple. We just click here to download, and that's it. Actually, if you are interested in learning more about Pinokio, I also have another video where you can check some of the other features that this Pinokio app has. Click here to find more. Okay, so here is very simple. This is the dashboard of Pinokio. So these are the apps that I already have installed. We simply click here in the Wan2GP. So one recommendation is to get the updates. Click here to update to the late version if you already have it installed, and then we just simply start the app here. So as you can see, it's loading all the models, dependencies, and all the requirements. Okay, here I already have it open. So we simply click here in the Open Web UI on top. And here we're gonna see this interface, which is the radio interface, which is the typical UI for these open source apps. Okay, and here in Wan2GP, as you can see, the interface is very simple. Okay, so as you can see here, we can load all the models here on top. So we have models to, for example, here, you just click here. So we have models to generate videos, audio, avatars, images, and so on. And one of the things I noticed from this Wan2GP is that it has different names. Actually, if we go here to the dashboard on the Pinokio, the name is Wan2GP, but if we go on the app itself, it says Wan2GP without the 2. One of the new features is that here, when you see these squares, white squares and black squares, it means the white squares is that the model is already downloaded. So that's one of the new things from this update. So as you can see here also from the model inside this Qwen 3.1 app. So that's one of the things I noticed. And also here on top is something that I never talk about. You can see the size of all the folder and all the models. So in this case, I have my app that is 430 gigabytes in size. Okay, so if we move on to the next app, this video mask creator is not a new feature, but it's something that I never talk about. And this is quite useful, for example, if you are using or if you are creating your own avatar, which I also have a video where I talk about how to create avatars. So for this, you can create the mask of the avatar with this video mask creator. And actually, this is an app inside the app because this one uses this app called Math Anyone. Math Anyone is also an app that you can install independent from the Wan2GP, but in this Wan2GP app, it's already integrated inside the app. So this is one of the things that I found quite useful. Okay, and before we continue, if you generate audio, videos, or images using AI, I recommend to use this app, which is called CArt. Here in CArt, you can find the latest models to generate videos, audio, or images using AI. Also, they have this cool feature where you can use ComfyUI on the cloud without installing anything. So if you want to check it out, I have a description in this video, or click in this link to see more. Okay, another feature that we have here on top is called Motion Designer. Actually, this is also an old feature that I never talk about. I haven't explored it yet, but basically you can do animations in this kind of window. I don't know how to use it yet, but I think I will be covering in future videos. And if we move on, we have this tab called Guides, and here we see all the models, all the information about the models installed in Wan2GP. And here next to it, we have this LoRA manager, which you can find all the LoRAs installed already in your library. You can also upload your own LoRAs and link it with this CivitAI website using the API. So here we use a simple click, upload your API, and so you will see the LoRAs, the checkpoints that you already have in your CivitAI website. So this is one of the new things that I found quite useful in this new update. Okay, so if we go to the next tab, which is this one, CivitAI browser. This is also one of the new features here in this version 11. And here is very, very useful because you simply search for the LoRAs or the models that you're working on. So for example, here we can just type, let's say, manga, to see which LoRAs or which checkpoints are available in CivitAI app. So we just type manga here, and as you can see, we have the result of the LoRAs available in the app. Then if you want to filter, or you are not very familiar with the CivitAI website, we can simply click here to filter the information by most downloaded, newest, most liked, etc. And even you can click on this tab to filter the types of models or the keywords that you're looking for. And this tab, base models, you see the list of all the models available in CivitAI. And also that matches this Wan2GP model itself. So this is one of the new features, and I think one of the most important features here in this new update of Wan2GP. Okay, and that's it for this video. If you like it, please thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, activate the bell so you get notifications of my new videos. And if you made it this far, I invite you to watch this other video on how to create logos using AI for free. Click here to watch more. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.